Hello friends, welcome to Raw Passion. Today I am going to tell you a short story which name is Lazy Rahul. Let's start it. Rahul was a very lazy boy. Every day he would get up very late. His mother had to push him into the bathroom to brush his teeth and to take a bath. But Rahul never learned. He was always late, so he did not have time to take a bath properly. Rahul never cleaned behind his ears. His ears had become very dirty. Mother said, "Have you cleaned behind your ears? They look very dirty." "I will clean them, mother," said Rahul, but he never did. One day, when Rahul woke up in the morning and went to brush his teeth, he saw a big potato plant growing behind his ears. Rahul got very scared. He could not wear his school cap. He could not go out to play. His friends laughed at him and made fun of him. Rahul was very scared and sad. What had happened to him? Rahul went crying loudly to his mother. "Mother, mother, help! I have big plants behind my ears." Suddenly he felt somebody shaking him. "Rahul, wake up, it's only a dream," said mother. Rahul woke up. There were no plants behind his ears. Rahul was very glad that it was just a dream, but he had learned his lesson. From then on, Rahul woke up early and took a proper bath every day and reached school on time. So this is the story. If you like it, please subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.